and the Living Goodbye, and thank you, and with the Helen Pop, and the news, and the Helen Pop, and news channel at RP. Goodbye, Live TV, and TV5. Ito si maraming salamat po, Helen Pop, and will thank you. Goodbye.